up, Saber fans and non-Saber fans? It's your boy Breeze back again. Today we have a Ultrasabers Grandmaster Satele Shan lightsaber. One half of it anyway. You know, the Satele Shan from the Old Republic. Her saber is usually a staff with a coupler and the second one of these, but we only have one half of it today. I did get this thing empty and installed all the electronics myself. I installed this, let's check it out. So in order to, I did a custom chassis for this thing, custom by Saberbay, one of their printed chassis. It's a 1.24 chassis. You are? So it's installed with a Golden Harvest V3 soundboard, 18650 rechargeable battery, a Smugglers Outpost 28mm speaker, and a stock V3 Neopixel connector up here. I did set it up with a 1-button setup. This is a 16mm momentary switch. Oh, and I have twist on, twist off. I did have to create a custom blade plug for this thing. This thing has a crazy deep emitter. It's probably the deepest emitter I've ever seen because it has these really cool windows where you're able to see. I think, here's a blade plug. This thing's over 2 inches. It's probably 2.5 inches, 2 inches, 2.25 inches. But yeah, you see that? Let's test this thing out with a blade. You'll see what I mean by the deep emitter. I have a cool little tester blade here. And you can see the blade through the windows, which is really cool.
Choose color profile.
Like I said, this thing was installed with a Golden Harvest V3. I know everyone loves the Profi as it's the gold standard for the community, but Golden Harvest is one of my favorite boards. It's also very user-friendly. You can do all effects, all colors, everything within the hilt without having to re-upload a config, which is great for anyone who is not an avid collector of Neopixel lightsabers, and if you're only gonna have just a handful of them, 1 or 2, the Golden Harvest is a great choice in terms of a board for you to just play around with while you're friends with.
Sound menu. The Dark Lord revisited. The learner. The second. The teacher.
Okay. Balance.
But yeah, that's it, guys. This one has been picked up by Jason. So Jason, I hope you enjoy this lightsaber. If you guys need an install, a custom Neopixel blade, or a conversion of an old Hasbro or Master Replica lightsaber, and you want it converted to a Neopixel, I can do that for you. Check me out, hit me up, Breezy Saberworks, all the socials. Like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, may the Force be with you. Peace.